welcome back to our vegan channel. It's morning. And this is what I ate as a vegan, or what a vegan eats, or everything a vegan eats in a day. Vegan, vegan, vegan. Anyway, this is everything that we're going to be eating today. So yes, this is how scary I am in the morning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you're afraid. I should put a trigger warning on there.
Come on.
Oh yeah, you wake up like fresh breeze of spring air.
Not true.
Yeah. Well, anyway, you're having a very healthy, very
boring oatmeal with almond milk and peanut butter. I usually have strawberries or blueberries on top, but we only have
so
frozen
damn
right now.
expensive right now.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna forego it for now. I'll have a different piece of fruit later.
Okay. I usually have leftovers for breakfast, but I wasn't really particularly inspired to eat leftovers this morning, so I'm just doing some toast. This is a roasted garlic, like a ciabatta loaf from the bakery at the supermarket. It has a pretty good bakery. They make it there.
It smells pretty good.
It is good. With a little bit of... I can't believe it's not butter, because it's not. It's vegan.
It's vegan.
It's vegan. Imagine that. Yes, I'm channeling Jinx Monsoon because we're going to be watching RuPaul's Drag Race Season 12 with breakfast. Not the whole thing. Just the episode for this
The latest
week.
episode.
Yes, so congratulations. We'll be back.
Hey guys, so I just got off the exercise bike. I'm trying to stay active even throughout all the quarantine and everything. So I need a little snack, and I have been loving these Orgain protein snack bars. They have 10 grams of protein, and they're really good on like sugar and stuff. Like, let me see. Reading. Let's see. Total sugar is only 5 grams. And it's only 140 calories. Because, like, I don't want to eat a full meal right now because we're going to have lunch in, like, I don't know, 2 hours or whatever. I just need a little something, and I want to get a nice batch of protein since I just exercised. Yeah, this is the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. There's another one, too. It's like a chocolate chunk thing. It's so good. But I've been obsessed with these lately. Sometimes I'll eat this first and then exercise a little later and then have my oatmeal after I exercise, but like it depends on what my schedule is that morning. Like today I wanted to get some work done before I exercise, so now I'm having, it's all the little details. But anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I seriously eat it like so slowly because I just want to enjoy every little bite. So I'm gonna go do that.
Snack time for me. I'm gonna have some of these dry roasted peanuts. Oh yes, you'd show up to the opening of a paper bag, wouldn't you?
Oh.
So they haven't been bothering me. I gave up all nuts for a while, including peanuts. I know that I can't eat tree nuts ever, probably, but I've started to try and incorporate peanuts back into my diet, just in time for my husband to say, peanuts are terrible for you. So,
Sorry.
no, it's okay. It's not your fault. But I'm going to have a little bit. This is my snack for today.
It's like lunchtime to me. What do you got there?
I got some creamy Italian dressing from Foods Alive.
Ooh, if you guys watched our taste testing video, the one before this, this is one of the new products that we got. Thank you, Cecilia.
Organic, raw, vegan, and gluten-free.
Nice.
Good thing the wrap's not. Alright, so I have a lavash wrap. Delicious. Flax, oat bran, whole wheat.
You're gonna have to let me know how that is.
Yeah. 120 calories. Daddy had one and Sean had one for lunch. I've got some.
And they liked it?
Yeah. I've got some of the broccoli rice with some of the no evil pulled pork.
Yeah, we just made a recipe video for that.
So I'm going to put some of this Italian dressing on my wrap. I'm going to roll it up, and that's going to be lunch for today.
Nice. Well, I'm having also the broccoli cheesy rice bake. I like to have mine with an Asian chopped salad from a salad kit. It's got these little wontons and the little almond slivers. But I'm not using the dressing that comes with it. I'm using some goddess dressing.
Well, this is a real hefty hideaway.
But you're an expert rapper.
Oh, I wonder why. Just kidding.
I don't get it.
Nothing.
Okay. Well, enjoy.
I will.
Snack.
It was the birthday.
Are you having any?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm having...
No, because I still feel sick from those peanuts from before.
Yeah, I don't know why you did that. I'm having chickpeas on chickpeas. I'm having the Off the Eaten Path veggie crisps. So good. And I'm going to dip those in the garlic hummus.
Woo! Don't eat the whole bucket.
Well, no, that would be a little bit ridiculous.
I could see you be like, ooh, that's the whole bucket.
Bowie, I can't do that. That's crazy.
Bowie said, if it's vegan, it's gotta be good.
Oh, you look so cute right now.
I know, right?
You always look cute, big boy.
Don't touch me there.
You always look cute, big puppy. Big puppy.
Give me your paw. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, snack time. All right. It's dinner time.
Oh. Tonight we're having a beautiful pasta bowl with some romaine lettuce. Well, let's break it down. We got the romaine lettuce, my homemade dill ranch,
Amazing.
garlic dill ranch.
And we have a recipe video for that.
Yeah.
If you're interested.
I have never had any complaints about that.
It's all love. All love.
And we have some Barilla pasta with some Light Life sausage crumbled up in there and some Paisana pasta sauce.
Wonderful.
Yes, wonderful. May the best woman win.
Dressing!
Oh, yeah. And it came out perfect tonight.
You won't be stressing with this dressing. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy that.
Right?
Really good.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy your dinners.
You too.
Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Mad.
Hi, Mother.
This is what I had for dessert.
Ooh!
Another butter.
I was going to have that, but then I was like, oh, I'll take a break for this one night. Because we already had them 2 nights in a row, and I was feeling guilty. But I had
Never.
some skinny popcorn.
Oh.
I want just one
Did you
square.
have more than you wanted?
No, I feel okay about it. I want just one
This was so
square
good.
of like, where's that chocolate love at?
This is accidentally vegan, in case you didn't know.
Just one square of the chocolate love for something sweet.
Oh, the chocolate love strong.
It's got a love poem.
It's okay, daughter. It's strong.
Oh, Granny.
Yep. Hi, baby.
Baby boy.
He said, is it bedtime yet?
Bedtime is whenever you want, baby boy.
He said, oh, good. I don't know if I'm going to make it to the bedroom. I have to stop in the dining bed.
Aww. Baby.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, Dooney. So that's what we ate today.
For better or for worse? I thought it was pretty better.
Yeah, definitely.
So it was a pretty good day. All right. Well, thanks for watching us eat. Not weird or anything. A little bit. All right. So, subscribe for more.
Hope you guys are staying inside and staying safe.
Yep. Till next time. Much love. Whoa. I didn't drop it.